Have you ever wondered what happens to those satellites that are malfunctioning in space only? Well, namaste everyone. My name is Ruveen Pathak, a grade 12 student from Everest English Boarding School, representing myself as an enthusiastic participant of 4th National Space Quiz Competition and delivering my speech on space and sustainability. Taking these two words in the same frame, one may ask the question, what is the use of sustainability in the space? Let me provide it with the fact that in the 70 years of space exploration, we have left about 27,000 objects in the space, and only 1/6 part of it are useful and providing services, and other are just revolving around the space as a unwanted debris. This is the point where space and sustainability has to meet. Both space and sustainability is a huge topic that can't be explained so shortly, but let us generalize it by understanding the influence of one on another. So merging it, what space sustainability actually is. Similar to the other sustainability projects that we are concerned with, space sustainability is an initiative that ensures the use of space environment to be used in such a way that it won't affect the need of present generation and ability of future generation. We live in an era where different governmental organizations, non-governmental organizations, and private companies are constantly launching their space activities. And here, the term sustainability can't be ignored because all those programs use the same amount of limited physical space. The increased number of satellites, small satellites, and other celestial objects are surely going to provide some sort of benefit or surely going to give some positive result. But the main question is that if they are going to harm the ability to use the space for a long term or not. Among the many problems, space debris is the main one. Space debris is any machinery objects left by humans on space, which can refer to the smaller objects like physical parts of rockets and space stations to the bigger objects like dead satellites. Many chunks of space debris are left to float on the space, which not only disturb the space environment but also collide with other working celestial objects and completely destroys it. The collision and explosion again create a large amount of space debris, which poses risks to everyone operating in the space. According to the European Space Agency, the mass of all debris in space is about 8,800 tons with a maximum size of 10 centimeter. Of course, that 10 centimeter seems very small to us, but we should be aware that the speed of debris in space is about 8.2 km per second, due to which a small collision can make a devastating consequences. Not only this, the number of space competitors has increased, or the number of players has increased. We are facing the problem of orbital crowding, which again increases the chance of space collision. Not only physically, but orbital crowding invites other problem called as electromagnetic interference that hinders the transmission of data signal from any celestial bodies to their desired destination. If this cycle of activities continues, then we will be unable to launch any kind of space programs in the future. Simply talking, the space exploration will come to an end. So what can be done to mitigate it, or what can be done to promote space and sustainability as a whole? Well, the problem starts with our perspective only. We don't give much thought to the space situation like other things we do, but it has to be enlisted as the topmost priority. We must think of space to manage the space as we do to our surrounding or environment. We have a lot of things to explore. There are a lot of mysteries behind the space, but if these sorts of problem arise in the middle, then those unanswered questions will remain as it is. The space sustainability is ensuring that all humanity can continue its space exploration programs with full of peace, and we have to be the part of it. The space and sustainability should be processed togetherly. We must find an durable and sustainable way to explore the outer space rather than leaving it to lose its sustainability. Let's build a sustainable space together. Thank you.